Welcome to 138 Mill Springs at Heritage Lake. This spacious 5-bedroom home provides room for all your entertainment needs for your friends and family. Inside, you'll be wowed by the open floor plan, remodeled kitchen, complete with breakfast bar, wine refrigerator, and all appliances including the washer and dryer. The upstairs has a large recreation room with vaulted ceilings and a balcony off 2 bedrooms. The backyard is ideal for volleyball or flag football games or maybe even a swimming pool. For more information on this lake home, contact Mary at tpetruzzi.com.